day, Growsmarters. I hope that you are all excited and ignited. My name is Charnelle and I will be doing a creative writing lesson with you which can be found in the Growsart Newspaper First Edition. The title of today's lesson is called Pick Your Pen Name and it can be found on page 9. Have you ever thought of writing a book of your own? The question that I would like to pose to you today is, under which name would you prefer to write? Did you know that many writers use pen names or pseudonyms? Writers often wear masks, but not a literal one. They want to protect their privacy or keep their identity a secret. If you want to use a pen name, the reasons could be as follows. Maybe your name is too long or too difficult to spell, or maybe to pronounce. You could also just want to reinvent yourself. So to reiterate, a pen name is a made-up name that the author uses to hide his or her identity. Some rappers and singers use alternative names to suit their stage personality. For example, did you know that Catherine Elizabeth Hudson is actually Katy Perry? So how do you actually choose a pen name? Keep in mind that your pen name will be your brand. Number 1, select which age group you will be writing for. For example, if it's 10 or 11 years old, select an appropriate name. Number 2, choose which genre you are writing for. Is your novel a thriller or an adventure story? Lemony Snicket, for example, sounds whimsical and adventurous, whereas Ellie Knight sounds perfect for a thriller. You can even use your initials like J.K. Rowling did. Number 3, check that your pen name is unique. After you have selected your name, type it in the Google search bar and see if it is truly one of a kind. Number 4, choose a name that is easy to spell, pronounce and remember. Someone is more likely to remember your name if it is memorable and not too difficult to pronounce. I hope that you all will be having fun choosing your pen names. Until next time, keep growing smart.